How to leave group on Messenger. Sometimes, being a member of a Messenger group has many benefits and can provide useful information. However, receiving too many messages can be bothersome. In cases where muting the group doesn't help, the best solution is to leave the group. If you're in a Messenger group that you no longer want to be a part of or simply don't participate in anymore, this video is for you. Today, I've prepared a tutorial on how to leave a group on Messenger. Let's get started. Open the Messenger app on your phone. Open the group chat you want to leave. Tap on the group name to open settings. Below the group name, you'll see 3 buttons. One of them is the one we need, Leave Chat. To leave the group, tap on the Leave Chat button. A window will pop up with a notification that you won't be able to participate in the group until you rejoin. Tap Leave Chat again to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully left the group. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more digital tips.